I welcome all of you on Yourpedia education platform, and this year there are two new subjects or papers, I'll say, being added to GATE. Like last year also, I think IIT Bombay was conducting. Last year IIT Bombay was the conducting body for GATE exam 2021, and humanities and environment, these were the two subjects added or two papers added. Environment science was added for civil engineers, and we saw that it has helped many of the students. I will just start showing you the interviews of those students who are getting selected through environment science. So compared to civil engineering, how environment science is helpful, that I will keep on telling you. And also humanities. So Yourpedia is going to cover in detail the options for humanities students writing GATE exam. So what we understand is like GATE exam is written by only science and engineering graduates, but it is now from last year humanities paper was introduced in GATE about IIT Bombay. So there are so many courses, as you know, which even humanities people can pursue, those especially those with mathematical background, like data science, like industrial engineering domains, management courses. So all these courses even humanities people can pursue, and other courses, special courses are also there, because in IITs, IIScs, NITs we have humanities department. So GATE was opened, one dedicated paper was there in GATE for humanities, and Yourpedia is going to tell in detail about that also, options also, because later on foreign countries, abroad universities, you need, if you want to go for PhD in those countries in domains related to humanities, then masters in these institutes, IITs and all, will be very beneficial. Now today I'm going to discuss with you that this year the exam of GATE 2022 is being conducted by IIT Kharagpur, and IIT Kharagpur is also coming out with the two papers of GATE, two additional papers, and that takes the total number to 29. So there will be 29 papers from which student can basically choose for GATE this year. And also third year students can write, like last year third year students could have written last year also, though they can write this year also. So let me tell you now what are these two subjects which have been added. So the subjects which I think will be added in 2022, two new papers in GATE IIT Kharagpur will be adding, and that is include the naval architect and marine engineering as one of the papers, and another is geomatic engineering. These are the two papers which are being added in GATE. So if you see, geomatic engineering is more a domain related to civil engineers, and this is the details of this, what are the syllabus and all is still to come, that I will discuss with you. So last year, as I told you, humanities and environmental science was added by IIT Bombay. This year IIT Kharagpur is adding the naval architect and marine engineering. So those of you who are graduate in naval architect or marine engineering, they can obviously look forward to these kind of courses, and they can write the exam, GATE exam, with marine engineering courses. So what is the detailed syllabus of naval architect and marine engineering, that I will discuss with you soon. And geomatic engineering can be a great opportunity. So those of you who want to basically get into really good courses of IITs for higher education, or NITI Bombay, or industrial engineering or management courses where only GATE score matters, so these kind of courses can be useful. That is what we have seen this year with environment science, so that can be useful for us this year in geomatic engineering. So what is this geomatic engineering? That detailed syllabus I will discuss with you once it comes, and this is this can be the opportunity for us, like this year. So that is what I think is the information, and the rest I think is the same why we are adding this. So yeah, one more information which has come up is like more centers will be opened up, because there is a trend now. Earlier the trend of GATE was more number of students were writing GATE, then the trend went down, and then now slowly the trend is again picking up, because third year students also were permitted to write this exam last year, so number increased suddenly. So they are planning to have more centers this year, so some more centers will also come up this year for the exam. That is a thing. But most important information for you was two new papers. There can be opportunity. I will dissect these new things for us, and along with that I will dissect for the humanities also. So keep preparing, and we will keep on providing you the more information, and soon we will start the series that with what score, what good opportunities we can get in IITs, and what are the options thereafter. Thank you. Keep watching Yourpedia.